Europe. But we're very fortunate that she decided to cut her trip short so she could be with us today. Ganyan niya tayo kamahal. So please, show some love and welcome her with a big round of applause, ang aking ipinagmamalaki at nag-iisang kapatid, Bea de Leon.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Congratulations, of course, to the undergraduates. Congratulations also, of course, to our dear parents. I'm sure you're all very, very proud to be here today. Magandang hapon rin sa ating mga guro. You know, who I consider to be the most influential people in my life. Some of them were my teachers. And I thank all of you guys for what you do every day. Magandang hapon din to our Vice Principal, our Principal, and of course, my pinakapoging kuya, our School President, Dr. Loet. As you guys know, he asked me today to give a short message. Pabaon daw ba sa ating mga graduates today? And at first, sa totoo lang, stress ako. Kasi, iniisip ko minsan parang baka medyo out of touch na ata ako sa inyong age group. Feeling ko kasi tanda ko na, pero hindi naman siguro. But as I was reflecting on what to say to you guys and kung ano bang pabaon ko sa inyo, I realized that though life can be very unique for everybody, and it's a very different experience for everyone. If you guys will notice down the road, life will also try to teach us very similar things. And so what I'm about to tell you guys isn't very extraordinary. You've heard it before. But it really has a big impact on your future and our future. Dear graduates, as you move on to pursue your future, please try to make sure to go after what you want. Simple, but do something you believe in. Pursue what it is that you're good at. As simple and cliche as that sounds, una sa lahat, kung ayaw mo sa ginagawa mo, hindi ka sasaya. Pangalawa, if you don't like what you're doing, you won't be very good at it. You know, back in high school, I was part of a volleyball team, obviously. Doon ako nagsimula maglaro. And at the time, my team wasn't very good, to be completely honest. We were part of a developmental team. Developmental is a nice word for parang B category, team B, gano'n. And even there, natatalo kami. So, as somebody who's part of a very practical and realistic family, disclaimer, they're very supportive now. A tad bit there, I was discouraged to pursue it. Because at the time, volleyball wasn't much of a future. Totoo naman. After college, wala pang pro. And I didn't know what to do with it after. And so to be frank, you know, my family was right. They were very right, and I knew it came from the heart when they told me maybe try something else or maybe do something else. But, you know, ang para sa inyo. Kung para sa inyo ang isang bagay, para sa inyo. And what usually is for you is something that you're good at. Is something that you believe in. I'm blessed enough to be here today with these accomplishments. And buti na lang, masasabi ko today na pinaglaban ko yung gusto ko. Because I'm happy and I'm so blessed to have the privilege today to have accomplished what I have. And to have some sort of platform to have inspired hopefully a few. I know for some, this might sound cliche and siguro even a bit naive, no? So I will tell you this. Doing what you love and fighting for it will not guarantee you success. A lot of life is some luck, and I'm very lucky and honestly very privileged to be here today. But what it will guarantee you is a step forward. And that's what's important, is that you figure out what's next so you get to who you're supposed to be. You know, I always pray for that God turns me into the person that He wants me to be. Because what's worse than failing is being stuck. So, go for what you want and try your best to do it so you don't have what ifs. But as you go for your goals, remember that these big moments in life is just maybe 10%. Championships, achievements, promotions, breakthroughs, 10%. 90% is every little mundane thing that you do in life. 90% is what matters. 90% is waking up in the morning and deciding what to do, what you decide to do when nobody is looking, how you treat your neighbors who are different from you. Paano mo pakisamahan yung tao na iba yung pag-iisip, yung pananalita sa'yo. Naging mabait ka ba sa seatmate mo? Pinahiram mo ba siya ng 1/4? Sana. Let this 90% define who you are. It's in these little things that will help define us and what will define our impact to people's lives. How we showed empathy, how we accepted the people around us, how we made them feel while you guys are together. So dear graduates, as you go on with your next step in life, I'm sure that there will be many more things that you will learn. But what I have imparted with you today, I hope you put in a small box, and I hope one day you pick it out and maybe use it. So good luck to all of you. Good luck, our year's graduates. I am sure that everyone here at Jehoshua has prepared you guys for your future. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.
Maraming salamat, Binibining Bea de Leon. Muli bigyan natin siya ng masigap.